English together.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I shop here every Sunday.
Oh, I only come on Fridays.
What do you usually buy?
I buy fruit, milk, and bread.
I buy the same things, but also some snacks.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I love cooking. Do you?
Not really. I prefer eating out.
Where do you like to eat?
I like the new cafe near the park.
Oh, I know that cafe. The sandwiches are good.
Yes, and the coffee is very nice too.
Do you want to go to the cafe now?
That sounds great. I'd love to.
Perfect. Let's go. I'm a little hungry.
Fruit,
Fruit,
bread,
bread,
milk,
milk,
Cafe.
cafe. Do you come here often? Do you come here often? Do you come here often?
What do you usually buy? What do you usually buy? What do you usually buy?
I prefer eating out. I prefer eating out. I prefer eating out.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.